Children always look forward to fun and frolic during summer days at home. For children, summers are the most awaited days, and it became more thrilling with the online summer camp organized by Dayal Singh Public School, Jagadri from 2nd June to 6th June for the children who are staying at home due to COVID-19 for such a long time. Their wholehearted participation proved that nothing can lock the budding spirits and imagination of our children. So, here we have reached to the closing of our 6-day summer camp.
This summer camp was full of fun and thrill as usual, and the participation of students serves as a motivational force for all. Now it's time to raise the curtain to showcase all diligent efforts of the students performing different skills and activities taught during the summer camp of June 2020.
Since our students wait for the vacations to visit the different places, so in our summer camp, we arranged a virtual visit to some of the famous places of vibrant India. So, let's have a ride to explore some new places. मम्मा, आज कुछ नया बनाओ. मॉम, आज खाने में कुछ अच्छा सा बना दो. This is a tagline used by every child at home. So, Dayal Singh Public School thought to train our children to cook and make some delicious items during this online summer camp. So now, presenting before you are little master chefs with their delicious recipes.
Sharpening the mental skills of students is very necessary. To achieve the same, the students were taught some very interesting mind-boggling riddles and games during this ongoing summer camp. So let's have a quick glimpse of such games and riddles. Handwriting improvement of the children has always been a great concern of all the parents. We at Dayal Singh Public School, Jagadri always endeavor to improve students holistically. So, to embellish the children's handwriting, we included calligraphy classes in our summer camp. Let's have a look at the few pieces of our students' beautiful hands. Learning art and craft activities have always been a favorite hobby of the students. During the summer camp, students participated enthusiastically and made beautiful art and craft items. Here presenting few of our budding artists with their masterpieces. Meeting new people broadens the outlook of a person, and meeting the famous personalities always inspires us to follow their footsteps to achieve excellence in life the way they did. We have an Indian author, Ruskin Bond, with us, who lives in Missouri. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in growth of children's literature in India.
Dance represents rhythm in life, and everything in life works on a certain rhythm. To infuse the sense of the rhythm in children, they were taught dance in this summer camp. Let's have a look.
लिख जाऊं
Yoga helps to improve the overall health as well as it increases our immunity. Children learn different yogic asanas in this summer camp. Let's have a look.
Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is third. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is fifth asana. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
With this, we have come to the end of this closing ceremony of our online summer camp. रोक नहीं सकती जंजीरें हवा से इन एहसासों को, रोक नहीं सकती जंजीरें हवा से इन एहसासों को, रुका हूँ थमा नहीं, रुका हूँ थमा नहीं, उड़ूंगा फिर से लेकर इन एहसासों को. We thank all the members of the Dayal Singh family for their wholehearted efforts and making the camp a real success. Thank you all.